Good morning, good evening. I'll tell y'all what's this video. It's your boy Bruce. Today we're going to install the DC5 strut brace in titanium. As you can see, fresh out. The quality of this thing is amazing. Yes, I'm on the back of the spoiler on my RSX so you guys can have a good view. Makes a good table. But yes, sir. Comes with 6 titanium studs and the strut brace. So let's get to the install. This should be simple and easy, but you know, like we said, before we get to the install, the quality of these are just amazing. Titanium color, the fit and finish are great. Even the stud or the bolts or the nuts, whatever you guys want to call these bolts. Look at the color. Look at the quality of this. I can't wait to see this stuff on the car, man. Let me show you guys the old setup and then we're gonna show you guys the new setup. Let's get to it. All right, so showing you guys the engine bay. Yes, I know my engine bay is crusty, dusty. It's gonna be fixed up in a minute. Don't lie, okay? Don't hate on me. Oh, my belt. All right, let's get back on track here. Back on track. These are the old nuts, crusty, dusty, rusty. Yes, this is the new nut right here. So you guys can get a mock-up of how it's gonna look, how it's gonna seize, and then let me get the bracket. Hold on. So with the bracket on and that should be able to clean up whatever it is that we need to clean up. So hopefully we can get this looking a lot better. That's what we're gonna do today. So let's get to this install. Let's stop talking. Peace. So we got all 3 bolts off. It's a 13mm 9/16 in case you guys are wondering the bolt size to get these bad boys off. They're on there pretty tight, but you can get a torque or a ratchet and hand torque it off, whatever your case may be, hand ratchet it, whatever. You can get a ratchet and hand ratchet it off at 13 9/6, right?
9/16.
9/16. So all right, so we're gonna get the bracket on and the bolts on, show you guys the brand new. So we got the old bolt right here, which is rusted, but the inside of it looks new, which is crazy to me. But just the outside that's rusted. These are rust resistant, so these are gonna be looking good and newer forever as long as I keep washing it. So let's get back to it. All right guys, don't mind my engine bay. Yes, I know my car is rusted, but this is how the bolts look in the bracket. You can do a little finessing to get it on through this. If you do this, you have to do a little finessing if you guys do have this sway bar to get it on there, but you know, after you get it on, you can hand tighten it and then go through with your ratchet and, you know, tighten it up some more. I'm gonna get the rest of the bolts on and show you guys. All right guys, we got both sides on, driver's side, passenger side. Before you guys roast me in the comments, clean your car. I know it's dirty. Bumper and engine bay. Clean your engine bay, Bruce, clean your engine bay. Well, guess what? It's gonna be clean now. We got it. Foam cannon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know it's dirty, okay? Don't tell me to clean your car. I know it's dirty, okay? Jesus, lay off. I know you guys will be in the comment section like, this car is dirty. But DC5, thank you so much, man. Great products. We'll be ordering more products from you. You guys stay tuned for this build right here. More to come. Supercar Killer Project is on the way, guys. Remember, have a better day. Have a better one. Peace.